They're broken for the painting bell. You know why? I take off the water pump. I think I changed before. The power steering change new already. Up market alternator to alternator J-Lex, good one, the OEM from Australia. They have problem here. They see the water pump is stuck. See the water pump here. Here the move the bell, the touch here. Have a noise. The water pump over 10 years never change. Original one. So much change new one. So order my friend from Mekong do it. Order for me. The good one. I'm gonna change the shit one. Alright. Make a China. I don't like it. You see, anybody? Easy. You take off the alternator out. More room. Take off the mounting there. You must jack up on bottom the support for the engine. Careful, don't jack up too much. Make damage for the mounting underneath. Right? Easy. Alright. Me hard. They take off everything out. You see? You must take off over here. To take off the tensioner. The tensioner very hard. Take off. We got to turn it off. The tensioner for the bell. To the painting bell. Because they have one bell for everything. The pull off for everything. For the rain shaft pulley. Alright. You see it? You do it. The one from here. But take off the tensioner here, tensioner here. Tensioner 10 new one already. Expensive. Where? Everybody have a look. Me and show off how to do it. Exactly how to do. Be quick. Alright, bye. Okay.